How to set up direct deposit in TD Bank. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up direct deposit in TD Bank, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to set up your direct deposit on TD Bank, all you have to do is, first of all, you can open your browser and type in direct deposit TD Bank, where you'll find how to set up direct deposit to your checkings or savings account. So if you follow that article there, it'll give you a couple of instructions, which is employer payroll or federal benefits. You should be able to set up your paycheck for direct deposit by simply downloading a PDF, and then you should be able to go ahead and then read that PDF. Now, if you want to find the account and routing number, you can do that over here. Now, the things that you might need over here are simply some of the routing number, the account number, and a bank transit. If you have any issues, you can just call this directly, this customer support number for the United States, and then they should be able to help you with setting up direct deposit to your account. This way you can basically go ahead and then set up direct deposit on TD Bank. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.